If you sell products and services online, you know that viewers are more likely to buy after watching a product video. And when you're looking to create marketing videos, training videos, or any video for that matter, you want a simple way to publish, market, and track your videos so you make more sales, right? Meet Kartra Videos. Hi, if you're new to this channel and you want to discover everything about social media marketing, social media advertising, and online sales funnels, then start now by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And I'll promise you that I will give you a ton of valuable information. If you're selling things online, at some point you're going to have to think about using video. Viewers are 64 to 85% more likely to buy after watching a product video. It's something just can't afford to ignore. But gone are the days where you can simply upload your video to a free online player without having that company's branding all over the video, distracting the watcher and pulling their attention away. I mean, do you really want to go head to head with these companies? The developers of Kartra didn't think so. At Kartra, they understood you want a simple way to publish, market, and track your videos. After all, you make more sales when your videos are online and being watched by your ideal customers and clients. So if you don't have video, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. That's why Kartra created Kartra Video. Now you can upload a video with a click, publish it to Kartra pages, and have people watching all within minutes. Kartra Video allows you to have complete control over the look and feel, limit control based on your goals, and you can even watermark with your own branding. But Kartra didn't stop just with the player. They wanted to make sure you could control the user experience from start to finish. So they added timed actions, so you can deliver the right message at the right moment. This means when you mention a free giveaway, you can pop an opt-in form into the video at that exact moment. And when you build up your offer, so they're ready to buy, well, you can have a buy button appear at the exact moment too. And because it's Kartra, where everything is interconnected, Kartra Videos knows who your leads are and when they're watching one of your videos. So you can customize the process depending on how the viewer interacts with your video content. Add in our full-scale analytics and you'll be able to see the behavior behind each view. Understand who's been watching your videos, how much of each video they watched, and which videos are providing the most value to your business. Whether you're looking to create marketing videos, training videos, or any video for that matter, Kartra Video is the perfect video hosting platform. And for less than the price of what other video hosting platforms charge. You get this along with all the other Kartra tools you need to manage your online business. If you leave your name and email address in the section below, I will share a link with you where you can try Kartra for 14 days for just $1. If you want to see other Kartra tool videos so you know how to manage your online business, stay tuned and watch our next video. Now that's not all. If you want to get started, want to contact with us, get more information and want to become active, then 1. You can join our online marketing community and e-learning center for free, where we provide entrepreneurs and corporate marketeers like you with information, strategies, and support necessary to stimulate sales and growth. 2. You can find the social channel of your choice to stay in contact with us in the comment section below. And 3. Also in the comment section below, you can share your questions, ideas, and comments with us. We'd love to engage with you. My name is Gerby Bulow, and I'm the founder of Social Media Gids. Leave your name and email address, click on the link, let's get started, get connected, get informed, and get active.